Hey guys, this is Sridhar here, and today we are solving the second problem of the weekly contest 463, which is XOR after range multiplication queries 1. So let's quickly see what is given to us. We are given an integer array nums of length n and a 2D integer array queries. Okay, I have been given two arrays. Queries array size is q, nums array size is n. Queries format is basically LRKV. Okay, what does this represent? LRKV is basically L is basically the start index from where I need to start applying the operations. R is the last index. K is basically how much jump. Okay, so if we run for loop, right, from 0 to L, so we jump usually by 1. But if we have to jump by 2, so K will be representing that thing. V is basically we'll be using in this formula. So we need to start from L, we need to go till R, and we need to keep applying this formula for each and every index between L and R, including both. So we have to apply this. So nums of index will be nums of index into V, and we have to keep taking the modulo. And we will just keep incrementing our index by K. Okay. So at last, after applying all the operations, we need to return the bitwise XOR of all elements in nums after processing all queries. Okay, so let's quickly see an example. Here is one example. Here is basically the second example of example 2 of our question. So let's understand quickly what is given to us and what we need to do. So we have given L and R are 1 and 4. Okay. So my operation area will be this. First index at fourth index. Operation area will be this. Active operation area. Now what I need to do, I need to start from this. Okay. And what I need to do, I need to basically multiply this with I think 3. Okay. So after modification, my array will become something like this. So after first operation, I think 2 comma, I think 3 so 9. Okay. My array will look like this. And I need to jump via 2. Okay. So I will start from here. I need to jump 2. Then I will be jumping by 2. Okay. Like this, I will be working. So after this, I think 1 will remain as it is. There will be no change. And 5 3s are, I think 15. So that this will be same and 4 will be same. Okay. So this will be after this operation. And obviously we will be keep taking the modulo, but that will not affect because that will just affect the answer when the number is greater than 10 to the power 9. Super. So after first operation, our answer is this. After second operation, I think we have to start from 0. Okay, from 0. I need to go till 2. Superb. And I need to keep a jump of 1. So 1, then 1, like this. So let me multiply this by 2. So, okay, multiply term is 2. So we are just applying this formula. So 2 into 2, I think 4. And the first index is now modified as 9. So 9 2s are 18. Okay, and 1 is remaining, 1 was say 15 and 4. I think this is my final answer, 4 to 8, 15, 4. Let's check it. Okay, what I need to, in the last, I need to return the XOR of these numbers. Okay, so whatever this arrays are, I need to keep XOR. I need to calculate XOR of all these numbers. And if you calculate XOR, definitely we will be getting 31 as answer. So 4, 18, 2, 15, 4. Okay. So this is one answer. So this is the whole thing that we need to do. Now there is no any intuition or something in this problem. For this question, our constraints, if you see, na 10 to the power 3 and queries length is also 10 to the power 3. So I think brute force can work. Okay, if queries length is not very large, our brute force can work. So let us try brute force. Let us discuss brute force. Then if it doesn't work, then we will try to optimize. Then we will proceed further. So brute force is, I think, very simple. We have been given this array. We will just at a time we will just take one array of this query, and what we will do, we will pick this start index. Okay, we will just go till end index. We will keep the jump term equal to k. Okay, whatever given here, and this is v, right? So we just need to multiply this nums of I into v. So that's all we need to do. I think this is not a very tough problem. It's easy problem. So I think we can write a pseudocode for this. Then we'll jump to the code. So let's write. So what is the first thing that I need to do? I think let's calculate the length of nums. or maybe queries. I think queries will work us. Let's name it Q. Query is equal to Q, okay. For I equal to 0 to Q, okay. So I am just iterating over all of the queries, 1, 2, 3, whatever I'm having. So inside each queries, what I need to do, I need to basically, I think I can take values like this. So my values are start or maybe the left, comma right, comma k, comma values. Okay, these are my terms. So I will take queries of I. Superb. Now I need to again run a for loop for j equal to L to I think R. Okay, my last index is R, and I need to take jump of k. Okay, that I need to maintain in my for loop. After this thing, I just need to do a simple thing, which is nums of I equal to nums of I think it should be j. Okay, it should be j, nums of j into v, and after multiplying I just need to take modulo of 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, in last what I need to do, I will just define some XOR term equal to 0, and for I in range, okay, wait, let me do I equal to 0 to length of nums this time. And what I need to do, I need to just calculate XOR equal to XOR of nums of I. Simple. And in the last, I will just return the XOR. So this is simple code brute force approach for this question, which I think it will work. Let's see. So let me quickly write. I will be writing code in Python. If you write C++, Java or JavaScript code, please make sure you check out the description and follow me along on that. So for I think I can directly write something like this in Python: L comma R comma K comma V in queries, and for I in range L to R plus 1, because R plus 1 means R including. I need to take a jump of K. Now what I need to do, I need to take nums of I equal to nums of I into V, and I need to take modulo, and mod I think I can define here 10 to power 9 plus 7, something like this. And I need to keep taking mod every time. Super. And after applying all these operations, I can calculate my XOR. So for I in range n, I think, or directly I can, okay, let's use this XOR equal to XOR of nums of I. And last, I can simply return my XOR. Let's try to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, it is working fine. Let's try to submit this. Yes, it is working fine. So I hope you understood this simple problem. I think there is nothing much to do. If you see the hint as well, they are telling you to use brute force. But if you see the fourth problem of the contest, so constraints are large. That the fourth problem of the contest is XOR after range multiplication queries 2, which I don't think it will work in brute force. There we will require some optimization. But for this problem, it is totally fine to use a brute force approach and submit this medium problem. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And if you like this video and understood the solution, please make sure you subscribe the channel, because that will definitely motivate me to create more such videos. So thank you very much, guys, and we'll meet in the next one. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up.